Taking Care of Hope by eslkidsworld.com. This is Hope. Hope is a playful dog. Hope lives with Rich. Rich takes Hope for a walk every day. Hope likes to play with all the dogs at the dog park. She has lots of friends. After their walk, Hope is thirsty and hungry. Rich gives Hope a bowl of fresh water and a bowl of food. Her food is only made for dogs. She loves her food. Rich feeds her twice a day, breakfast and dinner. Hope has lots of toys. Her favorite toy is a ball. She loves to play fetch with Rich. Playing fetch is a great way for dogs to have fun and get some exercise. Rich trains Hope to do some tricks. She knows how to shake hands and play dead. When she does the trick, Rich gives her a snack. Her snacks are only for dogs too. Hope has her own bed. Her bed is next to Rich's bed. Hope gives Rich a big wet kiss every night before she goes to sleep. Rich takes great care of Hope. He loves her very much. For more videos, click the like button or subscribe below.